see you. Hang on. I'm talking to Kelvin.
Yeah, I see that. Hi, Kelvin. Hey.
I see you.
Hi, baby. I love my little Kelvin. He's like a little pet.
I have a grenade. How do I put it down before I fuck us up?
Are you following me? That's crazy.
I trust you.
Okay. Oh!
Oh no, I don't know if I trust you.
Good to know.
It's okay, we're gay lovers. I love you.
I love you too. We're gonna sleep in a. Wait till I get you a bed.
Oh,
I'm gonna provide. Oh shit! Stabbed you. I'm sorry.
You're
bloody.
So much.
You got...
You're gonna kill me, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. You know when you just see something so cute, you gotta squeeze it.
Oh yeah, but this time it's hitting it with an.
Oh, you show up on my map, the little blue icon.
Yeah, you show up on mine. There you
go. Oh, thank you. It's still bleeding. Still wet. Try right click. Oh, you just.
There you go.
Shaking it at
stand
me.
up under it. Little shower.
Little blood shower. Camp out first. Get out of here.
You can get the pistol. Why not?
Oh shit! I killed him though.
We did a front flip.
Wait. Shoot him or something. Okay. Get up.
Let me up, I'm panicking. You better start swimming.
Okay.
Oh shit, he's right.
No, he's not. Andy. No, he's not. Yes, he is.
He's gonna eat
Oh
you.
shit.
I'm not the best though. I'll probably do the same thing you just did.
Okay, great. You left Kelvin! You left Kelvin!
You better get the fuck up.
I love how fast I can go.
Yeah, you're super fast.
I lost my one wheel.
Oh! Sorry! I didn't see you standing there until it was too late. It's okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh god. Flew off the same cliff.
Nice.
Oh hey.
Oh hey.
Oh shit.
Oh. No! Oh, sorry.
Kelvin, you gonna be a test dummy?
Oh, you hold left click.
Hold left click. Ah! Oh, fuck. Hey! You fucking tase me? That's crazy.
No,
Crazy,
I was reaching for Kelvin.
Oh.
I gotta sit with you now.
I'm reaching for Kelvin too.
Oh! Damn. Oh!
Oh! Oh, a nice little drift there. Oh!
Ah! I ran somebody over!
Well,
Ah! Got distracted, sorry. Having too much with vehicular manslaughter. Little walls, like little, decorative walls, or yeah. Yeah! Yeah!
I'm gonna have to teach him a lesson.
I just heard that. That's insane.
He's fine. I did not mean to do that. No, I didn't mean to. Oh, you're about to get it. Hey, back up. I gotta throw this at you. Stop! Oh, you little... Oh, I got you. Uh-oh.
Is our house on fire?
No, not yet.
Oh, thanks, Calvin, you fucking dipshit.
You want me to hit him?
No.
Okay.
What?
Oh, he just stood up. He was asleep. Oh. Hey, what am I doing?
Also get Kelvin.
You trying to kill me, woman?
Bro.
Good thing we were leaving.
Yeah, fuck you. Oh.
Oh fuck, I need you to leave faster.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Or he comes up and whacks me in the back of the head.
Fuck, he's coming. Oh, he did. There's nothing in here.
Half the time they just jump out in front of you. Oh, fuck. Hey.
Oh, damn, hey! Which one is it? Oh, you scared me. Don't do that.
I didn't mean to do that.
You scared the shit out of me, bro. What the fuck? He runs really fucking. He's really fast.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
He's coming.
He's coming.
Darkness. I'm throwing him on top of the house.
I don't see the second leg guy.
I don't either. Yet. Oh fuck, there he is.
Oh! Run! Run! Don't stop. He's really fast. Fuck. Fuck. He really did just drop from the fucking ceiling.
He did, yeah, he did.
Oh, he's right behind us. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Look at his little feet. Oh my god. Bro, get out of the way. We got another one. There's another one. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Nice!
I know.
Oh, fuck.
You talked too soon.
I'm sorry. As you get hit with like a multi-attack.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry. I don't know if did I hit you.
It's okay. I just started swinging, so I might have hit you too. He scared the shit out of me too, and I just swang.
What the hell,
I'm
dude?
sorry, I don't think so. Right in the gut. Right in the gut. Right in the gut.
No,
Fuck you.
You're not. You're hugging that rock for the rest of your life.
Nice. I wish there was a smack ass action. Just smacked him right on his ass.
Oh, there's big red people! Ah, go!
Uh-oh. I'm trying! Oh my god, you got me stressed out. Oh my god, you got me stressed out. I'm stressing out. Oh god. No. Oh my god, no.
Oh god, they're running! Holy shit.
Ow! Fuck off! You're gonna be fucking shitting me right now.
I'm about to get sucker punched in the back of the head.
Ow!
Oh god, Kelvin, run. Oh god, this is a big dude. Oh shit, let me get out of your way. Oh, where did she fucking come from?
See? This is Shrek and his wife. This is his wife.
There's another big red guy.
Feel free to use some of your ammo too.
I'm getting my gun out. Fuck, I gotta reload.
I gotta reload.
Where do you think you're going?
Point blank, you run up to him and you're like, ha ha ha.
I thought he was gonna get away after that. Hell no.
Holy fuck. No, Kelvin, don't. Oh. God damn it, you're such a. I'm on fucking fire. I'm on fire. Oh my god. Ow.
Sorry.
Ow. No, look at me.
Look at the ground.
Oh, fuck. Oh. There's a moose in our house.
There is a moose in our house. What the hell? Uh-oh.
No.
Ow.
Oh, fuck.
Ow.
Oh, shit. Head mounting thing. Oh, you just put my book away by shoving that in my face.
Oh. I didn't know it would do that.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like the way you just punch that shit out. Is this like a flesh tart? That's disgusting.
Ew. Don't ever say flesh tarp again.
That's what it looks like.
Gross. Are you good?
Oh,
my god. I saw it fly. Okay,
Jeez.
let's go. Let's try to sleep now. Somebody hiding in our corner!
Ow! Another log down here. I'll go grab it. Finish the bitch.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking around to see if I could steal another thing somewhere.
I'll get it later.
Detour, detour, detour. Oh, how did he not die? Are you serious? Come here, bro. Come here. I'm not done with you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No!
Get it.
No! What the fuck? No! Come back! You.
Oh, I got it!
Yes! Randy! Hell, you serious right now? Are you fucking serious right now?
Oh shit!
Ah!
What? What is happening right now?
I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh fuck.
Ah, baby. Uh-oh. There's somebody. I'm looking at my shotgun. There's somebody behind us.
Oh fuck. Oh nice!
That was close.
Just
I was too big.
Oh, so cute. I love it. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I tilted them so that we could look at each other.
I know. I like that. Nice little touch. What are you fucking doing? You look crazy.
Awful.
Yeah.
Really awful.